Jack and the Beanstalk, a short moral story. Once upon a time, a poor boy named Jack lived with his mother. They had nothing left but a cow. One day, Jack sold the cow to a strange man in exchange for 5 magic beans. His mother was furious and threw the beans out the window. Overnight, the beans grew into a giant beanstalk reaching into the clouds. Curious, Jack climbed it and discovered a magical land above the sky. There, he found a giant's castle filled with treasures, gold coins, a magic harp, and a hen that laid golden eggs. Each time Jack visited, he took something magical. But the giant discovered him and shouted, "Fee-fi-fo-fum." Jack fled down the beanstalk with the giant chasing him. At the bottom, Jack chopped the beanstalk down just in time. The giant fell, never to return. Jack and his mother lived happily ever after, using the golden eggs to escape poverty. Moral: bravery and curiosity can lead to great rewards, but it's important to be wise and responsible with the chances life gives you. Thank you for watching.